Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you this fall inspired makeup look using one of the new Huda Beauty nude palettes. But first, like always, I'm gonna prime my eyelids. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot using a P84 brush from Sigma Beauty. And I'm just applying this all over the eyelid. This will remove any redness. It's gonna make my eyeshadow more long lasting. I just really like to use this primer because it always just makes my eyeshadow look really perfect during the day. Now I'm gonna use the nude palette number 2, which is medium from Huda Beauty. I'm gonna start with this soft pinkish shade and I'm gonna blend it all over in the crease, going back and forth using a Sigma Beauty E40 brush. I have a special discount code for everything on Sigma Beauty, their website, their brushes, their makeup. So I will make sure to link it down in the description bar. So I just kept like blending the shade in the crease, going back and forth. I think the shade is really pretty. It's like a really soft, pinky, rosy, but not too pink. It's also kind of reddish. I don't know how to describe this shade, but it's really pretty and it will definitely look amazing on green eyes, blue eyes, brown eyes. I think it's a really nice color. So after blending this all over in the crease, I'm gonna go in with this shade, which is a little bit darker, and I think it has more of a peachy undertone. So I'm gonna first pack this on the outer V area. I'm trying to get like most product over there, and then with whatever's left on my brush, I'm also gonna blend it more towards the middle part. But I want the most darkness to be like in the outer V area. Then now I'm taking this dark brown color, which is the darker shade in this palette, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing as I did with the previous color. I'm gonna first pack it on the outer V area, and then with whatever is left on my brush, I'm gonna blend it more towards the middle part of the crease. Then now for the next step, I'm gonna take this shade, which is like a copper bronzy shade, really pretty, and I'm just gonna use my finger to apply it all over the eyelids. I feel like with shimmery shades, I say it in every video, I feel like using your finger is gonna make the shade look as pigmented as possible. And then I took a clean blending brush, or the brush I used before, I don't really remember. I think it's the brush I used before this step. Just blending around the edges to make sure that the shimmery shades doesn't look really harsh on the eyelids. Then now I did take a clean blending brush with a little bit of concealer on it, blending this along the lash line, like where you normally would apply your winged liner. This is gonna clean it up. And then I went back in with that dark brown shade and using a flat diviner brush from Sigma Beauty, pressing it right above the lash line. This is gonna kind of give the illusion of a smudged lash line without using like any eyeliner. I think this is one of my favorite type of styles eye look, where you just apply an eyeshadow above the lash line. It's gonna make it look so sexy, so sultry. I really like whenever I have an eye look like this. I just think it gives a really subtle effect, which I just really like. Then now I'm using the Morphe Brushes Vibes Pencil, which is a really nice warm brown color. And then after applying that, I'm gonna take the brown color again, which we use for the outer V above the lash line, and I'm using it underneath the lower lash line as well, using the same Sigma Beauty flat diviner brush. And like I said, I have a special discount code for everything on Sigma Beauty, their website, including this brush. I think I use this brush in every video. It's just really nice to use for underneath the lower lash line. It will just kind of pack on the product, but like really tight against the lash line, which I really like. Then after doing this, I'm always taking a lighter shade like this one with a really tiny pencil brush, and I just blend my brush back and forth to smudge out the color. And since I also use these shades for in the outer V and the crease, it's now really easy to blend this and connect it with the outer V area, and it just looks like you blended every shade in the crease, in the outer V, and it comes also underneath the lower lash line really nicely together. And now I'm taking the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit, which is my favorite mascara, as you probably already know. I will put all the products I'm using today in the description bar. And then now I'm using my own Anytude lashes. This is the style Sultry. I also have a special discount code for all my lashes, so if you want to try them out, this code will save you some money. The code is Anne, it's just my name. And here I'm applying them. These are one of my favorite styles for eye looks. I just think they're not too dramatic, not too natural. I feel like it still gives you the right amount of volume, but not in a way that you don't really see the eyeshadows anymore. I don't really like super dramatic lashes where your whole eyelid is covered with lashes. I really want to still like show the eye look. I mean, I put a lot of effort in my eye look, so to cover them up with like really dramatic lashes, I don't like that. And I also feel like it doesn't really suit me. I think it kind of depends on how your eye shape looks. And then this is the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoy watching today's video. I really enjoyed playing with the palette. It was the first time trying the nude collection. It was really easy to blend. I think the shade that I used all over the eyelid, which was the middle one, it applied really nicely, really pigmented. I think I'm actually gonna take this palette with me when I travel to LA because I just really like the undertone of those shades, and it's really tiny, easy to take with me, so I really liked it. So yeah, I hope you guys like it as well. I hope it gave you some inspiration or maybe teach you some new tricks. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye! So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder.